Hey, how's it going, guys? What's going on here? Waiting to go, just waiting for a helicopter, huh? My name's Andrew. Miguel and Steve. You guys know each other?
Oh yes. Yeah.
Alright. So, what's your expectations of a skydive in the Swiss Alps?
I think we fall out of the helicopter.
Nice, alright. Let's go up and give it a go, huh?
Oh yeah.
Alrighty then. Anything to say to anybody at home?
Yeah.
Here we are, all in one piece.
Yeah. It's cool.
Alright, let's go. Let's go and try it, huh?
I once had time on my hands, but now handling time is coping with this life cycle and the mandatory grind. My sanity's fine, it's falling short of stamina. I'm searching for some food for thought to feed this famine of mind. And when I'm stagnant, I rhyme, it helps to not turn a day. I turn my way through this 9 to 5 and urban decay. Believe me, it's bleak, I'm the city breathing asleep. It's just a paddock, ain't it where a shepherd's leading these sheep. Now most prefer it covered up, blood and the truth naked. The truth is ugly like cellular, please don't publicly parade it. I hate it, but to escape it, it'd be luck on fluke. I feel like I'm a dope beat, but I'm stuck on loop. But that's my life cycle. Freedom means everything to me. Your face values got us believe in everything we see. So if our eyes tell us lies, the truth is we're blind. So keep on walking straight and narrow down illusionary lines.
Open your eyes up, oh, wake up, rise up. Open your eyes up, oh, wake up, rise up. Open your eyes up, rise up.
Shelter, I need a run, I need a push out the wall. Who's selling love, life for a lover? I'm a stranger, and one at a gun, yeah, and one at a fire. You come around, infecting fruit, carried away, caught up in you.
Tell them all about it. It's hard to breathe. Woohoo! Welcome to Switzerland. Check it out. What a view, huh? Holy shit. Nice one.
You break it down. You're quite everything. Quite everything.
Nice one.
How are you doing?
What a trip, man. Thank you, Chris. Oh. Today, brother?
Yeah, bro.
Tell them all about it, good?
That was crazy. That's balls.
Woohoo! Nice one. Wow. All right. Good way. See you. Welcome to Skydive. Welcome to Interlaken.
Yeah,
ciao,
welcome.
ciao.
Peace out.
When I lay down to sleep, I turn to a deep thinker. Don't wanna be a whinge like a lonely binge drinker. It's just that word they don't call me suffer for nothing. I'm a depressed, murdering, repressed, suffering maniac, screaming at anybody, any place. Man, I like people, I just hate the human race. And I hate all my friends, cause all my friends are taking drugs. They think it's spiritual, like a hippie making love. But the powder's power only lasts for an hour. So they take a powder shower till they burn out like Nicky Lauda. Sour times come quicker than a John inside a hooker. What a John before that, what a John the might. I took it every day for her society. Leg up, chin up. Left foot, right foot, lay down. Shut up every day, she's getting